Now it's better. Today we're doing the social media dissection of MCaffeine. I didn't do this dissection either. This was done by someone who attended my brand dissection workshop. We'll meet her at the end of this video. I know that after the last dissection video, some of you said that this writing thing doesn't work for you, but I also got a lot of responses from people saying that this writing thing really works for them. So this time, in this particular video, I found out a middle ground. Now what you see here is relatable content. This is content a brand does to make you feel like this brand really understands me and knows what I'm going through. What you see here is brand content. This is content that the brand wants you to communicate to you to be able to sell through their social media. This bucket here is for engagement content. Every chance that the brand takes to be able to get some engagement out of you comes under this bucket. This here is informative content. This is content that you would have anyway searched for on Google or on other platforms, and the brand is just providing this information to you. And this bucket here is format. Formats contain all the filler content that a brand does, which is easy content making. This content is RTB, reasons to believe. This is the brand giving you reasons to make you believe more in the brand. All the things that you see covered here come under topical or moment marketing. And this is behind the scenes content. This is the brand coming out of their way to tell you what goes on behind running this brand.
I am Divyanshi. I work as a social media specialist and I aspire to be a full stack marketing